Maybe them get them for back for it. And out of the land because our English will just do it first because we're supposed to come back, brush them teeth.
We can get some water or something.
Guys, so we're here about to start the faces contestants.
I forgot your name, don't remember where we met. But what I do recall is the shit you put me through, but not you. Maybe I need some therapy to bring back the sweet memory. Baby, I'm glad the good times faded, 'cause it feels so good to forget about you and me. Forget about you and me.
So like the glam squad finished and we're now at Cool Runnings and stuff. We're about to go in, do a shoot, enjoy ourselves. So yeah, MUA essentials again, you know. We're there.
Always are there. And the campfire no always.
Reach another location.
love the night time. 'Cause I love the night time. 'Cause I love the night time. I love the night time.
Crazy Nailers is massive, you know this. When the sun goes down,
I love the night time. They say there's no comfort in the dark. I say it's how we find out who we are. So don't listen to the words they say. Hey, take a chance and come and ride with me into the night time, because it rains every day.
rise up my music and my dance. Hey, now move on, keep me higher in show. Me gotta go see the till it's fire in bro.
Fade away. You fade away. Fade away. Fade away.
You know my tears are cold, shades of whiskeys and beers. Again I hold to ward off the fears. I drown myself in sea of questions. I'm asking why I'm not by your side. I'm following the tide.
This is after the day after, or so after that eventful weekend. So yeah, Miss Global Western Tour, they did a lot of activities, and then they had their shoot day where Emily Essential Glam Squad, we did their faces for that shoot. So yeah, it was a hectic weekend, like 2 days full of a week worth of activities. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs, and yeah, don't mind my crusty look, I'm just resting after that weekend. So yeah, talk to you later, guys.